Most men struggling with porn addiction think they have an accountability problem. They say things like, if I just had the right accountability partner, if someone would just check in on me, if my wife knew. But brother, listen carefully. Accountability is 100% necessary, but accountability alone will never set you free. And if you misunderstand what accountability actually is, you'll stay stuck in the relapse cycle for years. Today, I'm going to break down the truth about accountability, the mistake almost every single man is making, and walk you through the 3 types of accountability you must build if you actually want lasting freedom. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here, and it has been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, break the chains, rebuild their identities, and step into a life of freedom. Now, today's episode is for the man that keeps relapsing, the man who knows that he's capable of more, but keeps falling back into the same cycle. The high performer who has discipline in business, discipline in gym, but in private, he feels out of control. And especially the Christian man that is battling shame and secrecy, wondering why prayer and willpower alone haven't solved this yet. Here at the Rebuilt Man, we don't help men just stop watching porn. We help them rebuild the man and become the man who no longer needs it. Now, over the years, after working with thousands of men, I've noticed a dangerous belief pattern. Many men quietly believe I keep failing because I don't have the right accountability. Now listen, there is a piece of truth in that. But when misunderstood, this belief becomes a trap because what starts happening is very subtle. You begin outsourcing your responsibility. You begin waiting for someone else to save you. You begin believing that freedom depends on external control instead of internal ownership. And the moment your freedom depends on someone else doing something, you've already given away your power. Now, I understand it psychologically, this can make sense. When internal discipline is weak, the brain looks for external regulation. It wants relief from pressure. It wants someone else to carry the weight for us. So accountability slowly becomes a crutch instead of a tool. And I need you to hear this very clearly. Accountability was never designed to replace your sovereignty. It was designed to strengthen it. Now let's clean this up because this is where most men get confused. Accountability is not someone babysitting you. It is not your wife policing your phone. It is not weekly shame check-ins. And it is not fear-based behavior control. And it is definitely not outsourcing your decisions to another grown man. Because if the only reason you're staying clean is because someone is watching, you are not free. You are supervised. Real accountability is a structure that strengthens personal responsibility, not replaces it. Proper accountability creates awareness. It creates friction against relapse. It builds real ownership. It builds integrity under pressure. And it accelerates your growth through honest feedback. But for accountability to actually work, it must be built correctly. And inside the Rebuilt Man, we teach freedom requires 3 layers of accountability working syncly and together. Now let's break them down right now. Type number 1 is self-accountability. This is the foundation. This is the first and most important layer is self-accountability. This is your ability to keep your word to yourself when no one is watching. And brother, this is where most men are weak. Self-accountability is personal sovereignty. It's identity alignment. It's daily discipline. It's private integrity. Because here's the truth. Brotherhood can support you. Coaches can guide you. But at 11:47 at night when temptation hits, it's you and your standards. If this layer is missing, the other 2 will never hold. This is why Reboot Your Life, we focus heavily on things like the daily 5 habits, morning structure, environmental control, and identity work, cold showers and discipline reps. We're not just trying to stop behavior. We are building the man who keeps his word. Now, the second layer is peer accountability. This is the brotherhood. This is men walking the same road, fighting the same battle, and pursuing the same standards. And this matters more than most guys realize because men relapse when they're in isolation. When you're alone with your shame, alone with your triggers, alone in your head, the relapse cycle gets louder. Peer accountability does several powerful things. It normalizes the struggle. It reduces the shame. It helps you build momentum and it creates positive pressure. It gives you daily reinforcement that you are not fighting this battle alone. This is why inside the Rebuilt Man, we've built things like our daily freedom calls. We have our win walls. We have brotherhood check-ins. We do regular group challenges because lone wolves relapse, but brothers together rebuild. Now, the third layer of accountability is expert accountability or your guidance. This is the guidance from someone who has already walked the path and can see what you can't. Because left on your own, most men will rationalize relapse. They will miss their blind spots. They'll stay stuck in the same loops. They'll quit too early, or they'll completely misdiagnose their real problem. You don't need someone guessing at your recovery. You need someone who has already rebuilt his life and helped thousands of men do the same. Expert accountability provides pattern recognition, strategic correction, identity coaching, and nervous system regulation. This is a real dopamine recovery strategy. This is what compresses time and accelerates real freedom. Now, here's the big problem. Most accountability systems fail. Most men only have one piece of that structure. Some men have peer support. Some have software on their phone. Some are running on pure guilt. Some are relying on willpower alone. But one leg of a stool doesn't hold weight. Freedom requires all three working together. When the structure is incomplete, relapse stays predictable. Now, this is exactly why I built the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood the way that I did. Inside our ecosystem, we intentionally develop all three layers. First, self-accountability. Through the Daily Five, through identity work, and through the Reboot Your Life framework, we help you build personal sovereignty and daily discipline. Second, our peer accountability through daily freedom calls, the brotherhood community, and real-time support. You're surrounded by men on the same mission. And thirdly, expert accountability through coaching, proven frameworks, and strategic guidance. We help you see and fix what you cannot see on your own. This is why men who have failed everywhere else finally gain traction when they join us, because the structure is complete. Now listen, you don't need someone to control your life. You need a structure that rebuilds the man that's looking back at you in the mirror. So stop asking the question, who is going to hold me accountable? And begin asking, am I ready to become the man that keeps his word? If you are ready to build real accountability, the kind that actually creates freedom, I want to invite you to join us inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood on School. The best part here is you can start today with a free 7-day reset. A free 7-day trial. You can get inside, you can get around the right men, you can build the structure, and because you do not have to fight this battle alone. Visit school.com/reboot your life or click the link down there in the show notes below to access your free 7-day trial today. And brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.